Welcome to Math YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about derivation. How to find derived x. See the problem. Find the derived x of 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x minus whole to the power of minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 6x whole to the power of 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x whole to the power of minus 6 by 7. This problem can be done in so many ways, but we are using some methods. For example, this can be done in the form of u by v form. Yes, this is u, this is v. But another form was also there, that is logarithm, by using logarithm. Okay, I will do by using logarithm. Given y equals to 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole to the power of minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 6x whole to the power of 5 by 6 to 1 plus 7x whole to the power of minus 6 by 7. Now use log on both sides. Log y equals to log 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole to the power of minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 6x whole to the power of 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x whole to the power of minus 6 by 7. Okay? This is in the form of log m by n. Yes? What is the formula for log m by n? It is nothing but log m minus log n. You know this in logarithms. Already I told in the past videos. Now log m 1 minus 2x whole to the power of 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole to the power of minus 3 by 4. This is log m minus log n. Log, this is denominator, yes, 1 minus 6x 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x minus 6 by 7. Okay, this is log m minus log n. Now again this is in the form of log mn, log mn, log m plus log n. Yes, you know this. Again this is m, this is n. Log m plus log n, 1 plus 3x whole to the power of minus 3 by 4 minus log 1 minus 6x 5 by 6, minus is there, symbol changes, minus log 1 plus 7x whole to the power of minus 6 by 7. Now this is in the form of log m to the power of n. Yes, log m to the power of n. What is the formula? N log m. Again use the formula. 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x plus into minus minus 3 by 4 log 1 plus 3x log m, n means 5 by 6 log 1 minus 6x minus to minus plus n 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x. Now expansion over. This is log y. Now differentiating with respect to x. By differentiating with respect to x, we get. Now what is the differentiation of log y? 1 by y dy by dx equals to 2 by 3. What is log m? Derived x of log m. D by dx of log x equals to 1 by x. Okay? According to that formula, 2 by 3 into 1 by x means here x is 1 minus 2x. Yes? 1 by 1 minus 2x. Again differentiating this one, 1 minus 2x. Differentiation of 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2. Yes, minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus 3x into 3. 1 plus 3 differentiation. Again minus 5 by 6 1 by 1 minus 6x into minus 6. Okay, plus 6 by 7 into 1 by 1 plus 7x into 7. Okay, now differentiation is over. Next step, 2 to the 4 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 1 minus 2x. 3 to the 9, 9 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus 3x. 6 is cancelled, minus to minus plus 5 by 1 minus 6x. 7 cancel, plus 6 by 1 plus 7x. Therefore, dy by dx equals to, y goes to right side. Here y is in denominator. Whenever this goes to right side, that will comes to numerator. S into, first you can write positive values, after that you can write negative values. Take this 5 by 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 1 plus 7x minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x minus 9 by 4 into 1 plus 3x. That's all. This is the required answer. Okay. Here we are using formulas regarding logarithms. Log mn, log m to the power of n, log m by n, log x. So you can use those formulas. Yes or not? See the next problem. Find the derivative of x to the power of x to the power of x. This is a very important problem. See here, given y equals to x to the power of x to the power of x. Now this can be done by using logarithm. Applying log on both sides. Okay, log y equals to log x to the power of x to the power of x. Now this is one pair I will consider as. Now what is log m to the power of n? N log m. Yes. Now x to the power of x log x. Okay, this is log y. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x by differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy by dx equals to UV formula. This one, you know about the UV formula. dy by dx of UV equals to u dv by dx plus v dv by dx. Okay, now what is that formula? This is u, this is v. U x to the power of x dv by x 1 by x plus v log x. What is this? X to the power of x, dv by x of x to the power of x is nothing but x to the power of x, x to the power of x into 1 plus log x. Okay, why? Because dv by x of x to the power of x equals to x to the power of x into 1 plus log x. This is the formula. Okay, we are using that formula here. That's all. x to the power of x minus 1 plus x to the power of x into log x into 1 plus log x. Okay. Now I separate x to the power of x minus 1. 1 by y dy by dx equals to x to the power of x minus 1 common, 1 remains. Here x to the power of x is there, so I'll write here x, because x to the power of x minus 1 is common. That is why I am taking x here. Now log x into 1 plus log x. Okay. See here, x to the power of x minus 1, 1 plus x log x. I'll write in the place of 1 log e plus log x. No problem about that. Okay. Now x to the power of x minus 1, 1 plus x log ex. Why? Because log m plus log n is nothing but log mn. That is why log ex. Log m plus log n equals to log of mn formula, that one. By using that formula, this becomes log ex. Okay. This equals to, therefore dy by dx equals to, y goes to right side, x to the power of x minus 1 into 1 plus x log x into log ex. Okay. Now what is y? Y is nothing but this one, x to the power of x to the power of x into x to the power of x minus 1 into 1 plus x log x into log ex. That implies bases are equal, exponent must be added. Dy by dx equals to x to the power of x to the power of x plus x minus 1 into 1 plus x log x into log ex. That's all. This you can find dy by dx. Here we are using some formulas. Okay. Please note down formulas and read it and remember it carefully. Okay guys, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.